Hello student, in this video I will discuss the first type of section obtained from conic section, that is circle, and after then I will solve exercise 11.1 from NCERT textbook. So first I will explain circle. Okay, so a circle is the set. A circle is the set of all. A circle is the set of all points in a plane. Okay, a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant. Okay, that are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. Okay, fixed point in the plane. Okay, children. So basically, the first type of section will obtain from conic section is circle. So a circle is nothing but it is a set of all points in a plane that are equidistant. Okay, that are equidistant from a fixed point in the plane. Okay, so basically the definition of circle is this is a set of all points. Okay, so circle is the set of all points in a plane. So this is the set of all points. Okay, so a circle is the set of all points in a plane. In a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point. So suppose this is a point. So the distance is constant, means equidistant from a fixed point. So from all these points, the distance from a fixed point should be equal. Okay, are always equal or constant. So here fixed point is called center. Okay, this is called center of the circle, and equidistance is called equidistance. Equidistance is called radius. Okay, so this is the basic definition of the circle. Okay, a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point. So the fixed point is called center, denoted by O, and this equidistance is called radius. Radius of the circle, it is denoted by small r. Okay. Now we will find the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r. Okay, so let us consider a circle with let us consider a circle with center h comma k. Let this is a point O, center O, whose coordinate is h comma k. Okay, center O h comma k and radius r. Okay, this is a radius small r and this is a point P. Okay, so we will find over here the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r. Okay, so this is the OP's radius, and suppose the coordinate of point P is x comma y. Okay, the equation of circle. Okay, equation of circle will be, so here P is the point, any point on the circle whose coordinate x comma y, and who is the center of the circle whose coordinate is h comma k. So we know how to find the distance between any two points. Okay, by using the distance formula. So first we will find the distance OP by using the distance formula. So here OP equal to, we know distance between two points. So this is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Okay, by using the distance formula, here OP is the radius of the circle. So we need to substitute OP equal to R equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Now squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. Okay, now squaring on both sides, so we will get r square equal to x minus h का whole square plus y minus k का whole square, and this can be written as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, so this is the standard equation of a circle having center h comma k with radius r. Okay, so this is the standard equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Suppose if center of the circle lies on origin. Okay, center of the circle h comma k lies as origin. So this means the value of h comma k become 0. Okay, h equal to 0 and k equal to 0. then standard equation of circle becomes x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, x square plus y square equal to r square when the center of the circle lies as origin and radius is same as equal to r. Okay. Now I am going to solve exercise 11.1 onward. Question number first. So the first question, find the equation of circle with center 0, 2 and radius 2. Okay. So the solution of first part. Here center is 0, 2 and radius r. So center x, k is given 0, 2 and radius r equal to 2. So we know the equation of circle with center h, k and radius r. So this would be equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So this is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to radius is 2. So 2 whole square. This implies this is x square plus this is y square plus 4 minus 2 4. Okay, 4y equal to 4. So here 4 cancel. This implies x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. Okay, so this is the required equation of the circle with center 0, 2 and radius 2. Okay. Now move to the second part. Here center is minus 2, 3 and radius r. So equation of circle become x minus here h is minus 2. So this will be x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to radius 4 of square. Now expanding. So this will be x square plus 4 plus 2 to 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 3 to 6 y equal to 16. So this is x square plus 4 plus 9 30. Okay, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y and 4 9 30 and 16 minus 16 on left side. So plus 30 minus 16 become minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. So this is the required equation of circle with center minus 2, 3 and radius 4. Okay. Then move to the question number 3. So here center is 1, 2 and 1/4 and radius 1/12. So equation of circle is x minus 1/2 whole square plus y minus 1/4 whole square equal to 1 by 12 square. Okay, now simplify this expression. So this will be x square plus 1 by 4 minus x plus y square plus 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 2 y equal to 1 upon 144. Okay, and further simplify. So this become x square plus y square minus x plus 1 by 2y. This is minus 1 by 2y equal to 144. 144 minus 1 by 4. 144 minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 16. So left hand side equation become 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus y upon 2 equal to, and this right side will be 144. This is 1 minus 36 minus 9, and further simplify. So this become 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus y upon 2 equal to minus 44 minus 44 by 144. Now simplify. So this is 2 7 14 and 2 4. Again this is 1 2 3 6 2 6 12, and this is 2 18. Okay, so this is 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus y equal to minus 11 by 18, and after simplification this we will get 18 to the 36x square plus 36 y square 36x plus 18y plus 11. Okay, plus 11 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle having center 1 comma 2 minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 and radius equal to 1 by 12. And the fourth portion is center 1 comma 1 and radius equal to minus 2. So the equation of circle is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to root 2 square. So this is x square plus 1 square minus 2x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y equal to 2. So this cancel out, and the required circle will be x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. Okay, so this is the required equation of the circle the center 1 comma 1 and radius equal to root